Hey y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk oldies but goodies for a minute. Not long ago, I was flipping through an old church cookbook, and to my surprise, I found a recipe that makes the best chocolate chip cookies I've ever made, and I'm going to share it with you. In a large bowl, mix butter, brown sugar, and sugar. Then add in milk and vanilla. Stir in baking soda, salt, and cream of tartar. Now mix in an egg, flour, and chocolate chips. Mix well, then spoon the mixture into your hands. Roll the dough into balls and place them on a lined baking sheet. Bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees, then allow them to cool for 10 minutes. This recipe may be older than dirt, but boy howdy are these cookies good. Now that's what I call a savvy humdinger of a cookie. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.